Importance of education in shaping individuals and the society. Education is the key to unlock the golden door of freedom, as said by George Washington Carver. This quote resonates with me, and I believe it is the most powerful reminder of the importance of education in our lives. A pleasant morning to everyone present over here. Myself, Kavana Siyar. I am in class 9 from Yamuna House. I am here to talk about a topic which I believe is most crucial for the development of individuals and the society. Education. Education is the foundation upon which we build our lives, our communities and our nation. Education is the key to unlock our potential, to discovering our passions and to achieving our goals. Education is the light that illuminates the path to success. It is essential to recognize its importances in shaping individuals and the society. The power of education. Education has a power to transform individual and the society. It empowers us with skills, values and knowledge that enables us to make more informed decisions, to think critically and to solve problems. Education also helps us to develop our cognitive, emotional and social abilities which are essential for our personal and professional lives. Education also helps us to understand our rights and responsibilities, to respect our cultural heritage and to appreciate our diversity. Through education, we can break down the cycle of poverty, social injustice, inequality, and to create a more just and equitable society. The impact of education on individuals. Education has a profound impact on individuals. It helps to develop our self-esteem, self-confidence, and our self-worth. Education enables us to pursue our passion, to discover our talent and to explore our interests. Education also helps us to develop our critical thinking, problem solving and communication skills which are essential for success in personal and professional lives. Moreover, education also helps us to stay healthy, to make more informed decisions about our well-being and to maintain our mental and physical health. By investing in education, we can invest in our own future and to create a brighter future for ourselves and our families. The impact of education on society. Education also has a significant impact on society. It helps to create more informed decisions, more engaged and more active citizenry. Education also enables us to participate in democratic process. Education also helps us to understand our role in society, to appreciate our diversity and to respect our differences. Education also helps us to promote economic growth. By investing in education, we can create a more just, more equitable and more prosperous society where everyone has an equal opportunity to thrive and succeed. So what can we do to promote education and recognize its importances in shaping individuals and society? So we can start by prioritizing education in our personal and professional lives. We can support education initiatives, we can volunteer our time and we can donate our resources for education causes. Also, we can advocate for education policies that promotes accessibility, affordability and quality education for all. By living together, we can create a society that values education, that promotes education and that recognizes its importances in shaping individuals and the society. In conclusion, we can say that by recognizing the importance of education, we can create a more just, more equitable and more prosperous society where everyone has an equal opportunity to thrive and succeed. Let us prioritize education. Let us promote education, and let us recognize its importance in shaping individuals and the society. Thank you, Anurag.